Good morning, children. I hope you all are enjoying the classes. Okay? Enjoy the class and understand the class. Yeah, today we are going to do again, ma. We are going to complete the topics, ma. The previous class, see, 7th class, ma. The previous, we started the lesson, ma. We started the lesson. The town mouse and the country mouse. Town mouse and the country mouse. See, I told you all the differences between a town and a country. Town and a country. You all heard it. And how the town mouse travels. Okay, he travels very uncomfortably towards the village, towards the countryside. Then, the moment he goes there, he faces difficulties, he faces problems regarding his luxury. So, when he asked for cold water, he said there is no cold water, there is only ordinary water. And he also said that he can give coconut water. Who? The country mouse. So, and even when the dinner was supplied, given, he couldn't have his food properly. And coming to his beddings, he was shown a corner in the hole to sleep on the pillow. Again, the town mouse was shocked. Town mouse was shocked. So we'll see. These were what we discussed in the previous classes, ma. Today we'll continue, ma. Take out your page number 4, ma, from your English text. Page 4. You ready? Take a pencil also, ma, students. So, as the town mouse lay down to sleep, again he had a doubt. He had a doubt. The town mouse asked the country mouse, where are all the cars and lorries? Cars and lorries. Because he couldn't hear any noise. The second thing is, he asked where are the radios and the televisions sound. Thirdly, he asked about the lights. Are there no lights here? He said. So he said, it's totally different, ma. The village side is totally different from the town side. So this is what went on. So come we'll continue this, ma. Next morning, the town mouse found that there was no breakfast ready. So, as the town mouse had an habit of eating breakfast, in the mornings. So, when he came to know, he learned that the breakfast was not ready. Breakfast was not ready. His cousin told him that they had to go to the nearby farm to search for food. So, when he asked for his breakfast, he was told by his cousin that they have to go to a nearby farm in search of food. Means as their breakfast. We are sure to find something there, he said. A nice piece of root or a tender bit of sugarcane. He said, again come back to the same topic. If we go to the nearby farm, we can find a tender bit of sugarcane or a nice piece of root as breakfast, he said. But the town mouse had enough. Thank you, cousin, he said, but I think I will catch the next train home. I have suddenly remembered that I have forgotten something. So the town mouse was not satisfied there. He was not comfortable there. So he told his cousin, thanks cousin, I will be going back to my town because I have some important matters to deal with there. I have forgot about it. So I just remembered. No, I'll be going back to my town. Who said? The town mouse told the country mouse. But the town mouse had enough. This is what he said. Thank you, cousin, he said. I think I will catch the next train home. I have suddenly remembered that I have forgotten something. A few days later, the country mouse wrote to his cousin. See, after the town mouse left back to his hometown, the country mouse wrote a letter to his cousin. His cousin means, in sense, the town mouse. Here is the letter. So we'll see the letter, ma. We'll see the letter. Here, mouse howl. Okay, mouse country. This is the thing, ma. Conclusion. The content is, my dear cousin, I hope you are well. I am worried about you. I would like to visit you and make sure you are all right. So he wrote a letter to his cousin, who's living in the town. He said, Sir, I hope you are well. And I am worried. Worried means I am tensed. Worried meaning is tensed. About you. I would like to visit you and make sure you are all right. So he said, I want to come there and confront things that you are all right. You are all right. With love, your cousin, country mouse. This is what the letter is written, ma. And this is the address, to town mouse, kitchen cupboard, mouse town. This is what he wrote, ma. Okay. The town mouse received the letter and read it. The moment the town mouse received the letter, he read the letter. Since he was in a hurry, he sent a telegram to the country mouse. Here is the telegram. So he said, After he read the letter, he was in a hurry. He was in a hurry because the people who are in the town or cities, they're always busy. They're always busy. So he hadn't time to write a letter to his cousin, to reply to his cousin's letter. So what he did, he sent a telegram. Okay, we'll see what the content is. The telegram is nothing, only three words. Overjoyed means very happy. Come soon, waiting for you. Town mouse. So the matter is nothing. The telegram is about what? No. Overjoyed means I'm very happy that you're coming to my place. Come soon, I'll be waiting for you. I'll be waiting for you. Town mouse. This is the reply. A few days later, the country mouse arrived in the town. So at once the country mouse, went to the town. He was surprised by the noise and the lights. So he was shocked. Why? Because of the noise and the lights there. Why are there lights even in the middle of the night? Yeah. So here we can say even in the middle of the night there are lights. So he had a doubt arose, and he asked his cousin, "Why are the lights even in the middle of the night?" He asked. "This is the town." His cousin replied. So his cousin gave a simple reply. He said, "This is the town. This is the town. Here there are lights even in the middle of the day." So middle of the day also lights keep burning. Where? In the town side. This is what he replied. "And what is this dreadful noise that never stops?" He asked. Again, what is this dreadful noise? What is this dreadful noise? Okay, no, disturbing noise that never stops. Asked the country mouse. So he asked, "What's the noise here? It is not stopping. It is from morning to night. It's going and carrying." "This is the traffic," the town mouse replied. What did he reply, He said, "This is the noise made by the traffic. You can say the vehicles. That is the noise made by buses, lorries, cars and airplanes." So the noise comes from what? The noise comes from the buses, lorries, cars and airplanes. Buses, lorries, cars and airplanes. They make a lot of noise. And the town is always busy. So this is the noise made by the vehicles, he said. But the country mouse did not like it at all. So the country mouse was not satisfied. He didn't like it. He didn't like because he lived in a place which is all silent, calm going. Here you can find lights in the middle of the night. Traffic, noise are too much. All the noise has made my headache. So he has a headache. He said, "Could I have some water to drink?" So he asked the town mouse to give him some water. To drink. "Why only water?" said the town mouse. "Look at what there is for you. Ice cold lemonade, orange juice. Which one do you want?" So he asked for water. But here the town mouse, he says, "Look, we have plenty of items here. You can have the lemonade, orange juice. Okay, whatever you want. Choice is yours. Take what you want, which you are feeling comfortable," he said. "Just some water," answered the country mouse. So country mouse said, "No, sir." He said, "No, I do not want anything. I only want water. Some water and a little bit of food." So he said, "No, see, until students, some water and a little bit of food." That's what the country mouse wanted. "I have plenty of food, cousin," said the town mouse. Proudly, he was very proud. He said in a high-pitched voice, "There is plenty of food here, cousin. You can enjoy. You can eat as much as you like." So so much food is here. You can enjoy your food. Eat how much you want. Sure enough, the house of the town mouse at the back of a kitchen cupboard. So the town mouse here was living in a house. Where was it located? It was in the back of the kitchen, and the cupboard was full of most delicious foods. There was full food in the kitchen. There was plenty of food there. There was bread and jam. So what was there more? Okay, there was bread and jam. Different kinds of fruits, slabs of chocolate, and a huge piece of lovely cheese. So there was bread, jam, fruits, slab of chocolate, the chocolate pieces. Okay, slab of chocolates, and a huge piece of lovely cheese. Even cheese was there. So there were many different varieties of foods available. Where with the town mouse. So this is what we have seen today, You see the fruits here. This is in the cupboard. So the first thing there we saw that the town mouse wrote a letter to the country mouse. Here the country mouse wrote a letter to the town mouse, but he got a reply, not a letter. He got a reply to the telegram. Okay, ma. This is, you can say, a faster means of communication. Faster means of communication. Okay, this is what today we learn, students. And your work today is nothing more. I won't give you all extra work, ma. Today you will write the hard words from the page. Okay, from the starting of the lesson till page number 5, ma. Okay, you find out the hard words. Write them neatly, ma. Write the date and the heading and post them. Okay, to me. Bye, students. Take care. I hope you all enjoying the classes, ma. Be safe and secure.